Welcome to Voy, the voice of youth. This is your host Harshit Dhingon, and today we are going to talk about Tripura. Yes, this very beautiful and small state of Northeast. And yes, today we are here for talking about a very serious issue. But before that, I would like to say first of all, thank you to each and everyone for joining my family, the Voy family. It is not just my voice, it is the voice of youth, that is your voice. The more people will join, the more strong we become, and the more issues we can raise, and we can bring change in society. And hence, I request you, if you are new to my family, I invite you to be a part of my Voy family, which I call the Army of Love. So just to be a part of my family, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So that you can get each and every notification of my latest videos. And today I would like to ask, why in Tripura the rape is increasing day by day? Why the people are very afraid? Why the sisters in northeast part of Tripura, they are not able to roam freely wearing short dresses? Do the police is not taking action, or there is some problems going on inside the region? So we are going to talk about it in this video. So stay tuned till the end so that we can help our brothers who are having the sisters and our own sisters who are in Northeast and who really want safety and they are concerned for safety. So we are going to talk about the women's security, and this video especially made on the request of one of my army member, or you can say my family member from Tripura. He messaged me on Instagram, and as I say, it's not my voice, it's the voice of youth. So I am here for you guys, and this is my honest attempt to bring change in your lives. So this video is dedicated especially to the people of Northeast and Tripura especially, and this message you can see one boy raises the concern that how the rape cases are increasing day by day in Tripura, and people are not able to understand. He also raised the concern about the Bangladeshi migrants who are entering inside Tripura, and even the authorities are helping, as claimed by this boy, that authorities are even helping in some things of giving them an access, and it's becoming more easy to enter Tripura from Bangladeshi border. It is also shown in one of a YouTuber video. I will also show you that as well. I will put the link as well, how people are entering Tripura through the border area of Bangladesh, and this is a very big issue, and they are getting Aadhaar card as well in just 300 or 500 rupees.
Heard you can buy an Aadhaar card, so it should be okay. So Tripura is a bit of a gateway if you want to get into India, and you can buy your fake documents here, your Aadhaar card, any kind of Indian identification you need. I mean, there are reasons why these people are leaving Bangladesh. I don't know what they are, so I'm not going to judge them or anything. They're doing what's best for them. But I mean, the corruption around creating Aadhaar cards and that kind of stuff shouldn't be happening.
So this is a very big issue happening, and because of that, many rape cases, and the women are not feeling safe because of the issue of migrants entering into the northeast part of India, that is Tripura. There is one part which is like people are not even aware many times, and people ask where is Tripura, and they are like very confused about it. So we are going to show you about this, and recently a new incident have been seen in which a minor girl have been also been a victim of this dirty incident. And not only this, many incidents have happened in Agartala as well, and I show you one incident in which 10 men raped the woman, and 10 लोगों ने ये चीज करी है, and इसके कारण बहुत ही ज्यादा कह सकते हैं पूरा देश शर्मसार है। और यही नहीं, जब नेशनल मीडिया कवर नहीं करता इस चीज को, वहां के त्रिपुरा के किंग मिस्टर प्रद्योत माणिक्य ने भी, उन्होंने भी ये इशू उठाया है कि नेशनल मीडिया ये मुद्दा क्यों नहीं उठाता, क्या वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया से अलग है? व्हाई नॉर्थ ईस्ट बीइंग इग्नोर्ड ऑलवेज? इट इज अ बिग इशू। और हम जब नेशनल मीडिया इग्नोर करता है, पूरा देश इग्नोर करता है, then I am here to raise the voice, the why. Yes, the Harshit Dhingon is here to raise the voice on the national level of the issue when people are not giving attention. So watch the video till the end, and yes, today we are going to show you the footage as well and the message from the king of Tripura as well. What is the real concern about it, and we are going to talk about it as well. So let's listen to the king of Tripura, Mr. Pradyop Manikya.
मुझे एक कंप्लेंट है नेशनल मीडिया से। तेलियामुरा में एक त्रिपुरा की महिला का रेप हुआ, गैंग रेप हुआ गाड़ी में, और आप पूरे इंडिया में रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि कहीं में पबजी बैन हो जाएगा। आराध्या बच्चन अस्पताल में है, कोई कहता है कि टिकटॉक को बैन करने के लिए कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट में फ्लड्स हो रहा है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गैंग रेप हुआ है 17 साल की एक लड़की का, और हम लोग यहाँ में इतने नाराज हैं, गुस्से हैं, हमको लगता है कि हम भी हिंदुस्तान का एक अंग है, लेकिन नेशनल मीडिया ने तो बॉदर ही नहीं किया हमारे ऊपर कुछ कवर करने के लिए। आप कवर करेंगे जब कोई मुख्यमंत्री एक स्टेटमेंट देगा, या फिर आप कवर करेंगे जब कहीं में कोई सॉफ्ट स्टोरी के लिए आप कवर करना चाहते हैं, या कोई मजाक के लिए आप कवर करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन जहां में क्राइम बढ़ रहा है, जहां में बाढ़ आई है, जहां में गैंग रेप हो रहा है, तो आप कवर नहीं करते। क्या हिंदुस्तान सिर्फ नई दिल्ली है? क्या हिंदुस्तान सिर्फ बैंगलोर है या मुंबई है? हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग क्या इंडिया के पार्ट नहीं है? अगर आपको लगता है कि हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग इंडिया के पार्ट नहीं है, तो आप खुला कह दीजिए कि हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट को कवर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ये हमें हमारी दिलचस्पी, हमारी टीआरपी रेटिंग को नहीं बढ़ाता है। लेकिन आप हमें पेट्रियोटिज्म का एक भाषण मत सुनाइए जब इतने खराब समय में आप हमारी स्थिति है, जहां में गैंग रेप हो रहा है, जहां में 17 साल की औरत का गैंग रेप हुआ है, जहां में बाढ़ आई है, उसको आप नहीं कवर करेंगे, और आप अपनी ही मनमानी में जो आपको मन में आता है वो कवर करेंगे। ये मेरा कंप्लेंट है नेशनल मीडिया के लिए। और मैं आपको, जो रिपोर्टर्स हैं जो कहते हैं कि हम जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, जमीन क्या सिर्फ धरती, क्या सिर्फ नोएडा, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे और बैंगलोर है? उसके बाहर कोई क्या जगह नहीं है? This is my complaint to all of you all. If you all feel what I am saying is the truth about the Northeast, if you feel that the Northeast is hardly covered, they only look at us when China attacks us. They only look at us from a soft story point of view. Nobody reports when thousands and thousands of people are displaced daily due to floods, when animals die due to floods, when there's a gang rape of a 17-year-old girl in broad daylight, and the media decides that it is not important to cover it. I sometimes feel, are we a nation, or are we a country which picks and chooses its stories because it's too inconvenient to go into the Northeast? That's my message to all of you all. Belaino Hambai, thank you, dhanyawad.
So guys, you listen his story, that the way he is telling that rapes are increasing day by day, and I really feel sad about it, really, that my sisters who are staying in the northeast part of India, and they are not safe and they are not feeling safe. Hence, I request the authorities, please take some action, and so that change should come in the region. People should not be afraid, and the men of the Northeast are also so great, so nice. This message have been sent to me for raising the voice for the women in Northeast by a man itself. The men of the Northeast are also great, and they are very responsible. They know how to fight for their rights as well, and they know how to talk about women rights as well. So I must salute the men as well of the Northeast who are doing great and caring their sisters as well. And I must tell you, the women, this video, ये video specially सभी women के लिए है, सभी girls के लिए है. I respect you, all of you. I have so much love for you. You are such an innocent and beautiful people who makes the life of people so beautiful. I request you, each and everyone, to please share this video as much as possible. If national media is ignoring, if the other people of the mainland are ignoring, if so many people are ignoring, but please, if you are from the northeast region, I want you should not ignore. If you will ignore, the world will ignore 100%. Do your duty, bring the change. Let's be a change maker of the society, and you and me can make and bring the change, definitely. So that's all for now. This video I have made specially to raise the voice of women. Women makes our life so beautiful. Women make our life really incredible. A woman is a being that makes the world so beautiful. and for every man there is always a woman behind that. It's a fact, and I believe and I respect all the women of whole India, world, and everywhere, especially the Northeast women are so innocent and so wonderful. And I thank you for all your love. I am being blessed by the love that I am being getting from you, and I request you, please stay with me like this, and I will be coming with always with something new, something great all the time. Please share the video, help me to reach to the authorities and let the change should come. So guys, this is a very important thing, and I must tell you that these rape cases are not only happening in Tripura, but it happens in Delhi as well. But the voice, or you can say the media, publishes it. You can see one girl, minor girl, was raped in the COVID center as well, and this was covered by the national media. You can see the screenshot. The Delhi news is being covered, but why nobody covers the news of Tripura? The boy sent me this message. The same incident happened in Tripura as per the boy, and nobody covered it. I found it, I was like searching on internet, but nobody was raising voice. Why? This is a big question. ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है अथॉरिटीज के ऊपर, वहां की सरकार के ऊपर, वहां की पुलिस अथॉरिटीज पे एंड सिक्योरिटी पे ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है, एंड जनता जानना चाहती है why this is happening. Yes, and yes, I must tell you, nobody is there who is so big who can create change alone. It is only the youth, you guys, yes my friends, it's you who can bring the change. If you care your region, your state, or you respect a woman from anywhere of the part of the world, since we are international media and national media, we would like to request all the people to share this video so that the voice bring the change in the society. And yes, now we'll be coming with the next video next time. Till the time, I would just request you, if you also want to be a part of my family and be a change maker of society, just be a part of my family, which I call Army of Love, and join my Voy family by just hitting the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. And yes, my friends, I would like to first of all also announce this thing, that this t-shirt will be gifted to some selected people who will be giving me the maximum comments on my regularly videos, or like for 3 times the next video, if the comment will come regularly, and if I find that they are sharing it, and if I get the tag on Instagram, you have to follow me and tag me on Instagram as well, then the lucky winners, 5 lucky winners, will get the Army of Love t-shirt, or maybe the Voy. Anything is possible. So we have 2 t-shirts. So this is a giveaway for you guys, for your love and support. And yes, I am announcing that 1 t-shirt will definitely be given to this guy who sent me the Instagram message, who raised the voice for his state and respect of women. So my friend, this t-shirt will be coming to you very soon. Thank you so much guys for being a part of my life, and be with me like this. And I am telling you, and I promise you, we will make this world a better place. We are on a mission to make this world better, and we are doing it great way, and you have shown great unity. There is always strength in unity. Be with me, and we will be the next change maker of the society. This is your host Harshit Dhingon, the Voy Man, saying see you next time. And yes, if you want to be a part of my life, follow me on Instagram. See you and take care.